If you are searching any random mirror dashcam, and you're looking for expert advice on choosing the best one for your needs, then you have arrived at the right place. But before we start, please subscribe our channel and hit bell notification icon for more product review videos. AZDOME is involved in the entire field of automotive intelligent electronics products and in a leading position in the global market. A number of technological products have penetrated the international market. In this video, I will show you AZDOME PG02S mirror dashcam. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. You will find a mirror dashcam, a rear dashcam, GPS module, rubber fasteners, cable clips, wire trim tool, USB card charger, micro SD card, cleaning cloth, anti-glare screen film, dry wet cloth pack and a user manual. Now start front camera installation. Insert a micro SD card into the micro SD slot of the dashcam. Loop the rubber fasteners over the top fastener clip. Put the mirror dash cam in position on the front face of your existing rear view mirror. Loop the bottom rubber fasteners over the mirror and attached to the fastener clip. Connect one end of car charger cable to the USB input port on the top side of mirror dash camera. Plug the other end of the car charger cable to the cigarette lighter receptacle in the vehicle. Connect the GPS module to the dash cam. Tear off the sticker of GPS module and place it on the car dashboard. The rear camera, equipped with a 6-meter cable, connects to the dash cam via AVI in port. After installation of rear camera, front and rear view are displayed on the screen. AZDOME PG02S mirror dash cam adopts upgraded chip technology, which can fulfill full HD video resolution up to 1440p front camera and 1080p rear camera with dual 170 degrees wide angle. AZDOME PG02S rear view dash camera supports the simultaneous display of front and rear view images on the screen so that you can observe the dynamics of the front and rear of the vehicle in real time while driving. GPS function can help to record real-time location, current driving track and driving speed. The mirror view camera adopts the advanced Sony sensor with featuring high sensitivity. Super night vision function can capture clear videos with enhanced details in low light conditions. WDR function protects your eyes from strong or weak light in dark, which clearly shows car plates number, road signs, etc. The rear view mirror camera's loop recording can continuously record every detail in the driving process of the vehicle. Locked and save the accident video provides proof in case of an accident claim. Switch parking assistance function. The screen image will display park assist lines. You can manually adjust the display range either up or down to reach the best field of view. So this is today's video. Hope you like it. Product purchase link is mentioned in description. Go visit. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product videos.